Thiku imwe tu thutha wa ahuraniri a ihoto cia muingi Agatha Atuire na Boniface Mwangi gutariria ciiko cia magigi iria magereirio bururi-ini wa Tanzania, maithori mao ari kionereria kia ruo rwi ngoro. Mutongoria wa kiama gia PLP Martha Wangari wa Karua ni akomithitie bururi wa Tanzania akiuga urathana na githuri na kuingirira wiyathi wa raia a Tanzania oro hamwe na mabururi maria marigainie.
President Samia Suluhu Hassan, once hailed as a reformer, has now fully embraced a tyrannical playbook of her predecessor, with Tanzania's general elections beckoning in October this year.
Ihinda-ini riu Karua ni orotete President William Ruto ni kuhoya urekeri kuri bururi ucio ithenya-ini ria kurugama na Kenya.
Why is he apologizing to Tanzania when his national Boniface Mwangi has come brutalized? What sort of apology is this, short of thanking President Samia for torturing his citizen? That again is a show of complicity.
Mwene-ini wao ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu ni ikumithitie na ciugo ndito ciiko ici guku ikienda mbunge cia mabururi maya meri kuhe thamaji maminista a maundu ma mabururi maja niguo mataririe uiguano wa mabururi maya.
The Law Society of Kenya and Police Reforms Working Group calls upon the East African community and the international community to demand the government of Tanzania hold accountable the police officers and their commanding officers responsible for the torture.
Bururi-ini wa Tanzania na kuo mutungatiri wa kanitha wa Glory of Christ uria nowe mubunge wa gicigo gia Kawe bururi-ini ucio Josephat Gwajima ni akorete hatika-ini kumana na murugamo wake wigie unyitani wa migwate bururi-ini ucio. Riu thirikari ya bururi ucio ikihinga kanitha wake igitariria ati mahunjio make ni magucongera muingi na thirikari iria iri wathani-ini.
Mimi sikubaliani na vitu hivyo 100%. Hivi vinaitwa vya kijinga, havifai kutajwa kwenye jamii ya Tanzania.
Bururi wa Tanzania riu ukurirwo maitho ni thi ngima kumana na wathani uria uronekana wa kuigioterwo na wa kwagarara ihoto cia umundu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV yetagwo Gitonga Ugwa wa Boy.